does it really mean to be intelligent? Is it solving difficult problems? Remembering important information? For a long time, humans believed these abilities belonged only to us. But scientists have discovered that many animals are far smarter than we ever imagined. Across forests, oceans, and skies, incredible creatures are solving puzzles, recognizing faces, creating tools. Some can remember people for years. Today, we're counting down the top 10 surprisingly intelligent animals. As we get closer to number 1, you'll discover animals whose minds have amazed researchers around the world. Stay until the end. Demonstrated intelligence that rivals some of the smartest primates on Earth. Let's begin. Number sure, pigeon. When most people see a pigeon, they hardly give it a second glance. They're everywhere, walking through parks. Scientists have found that pigeons can recognize individual human faces. Some researchers even found that pigeons could. They learn quickly, remember solutions to problems. And what happened on the screen? Number by parrot. Parrots are famous for talking. But simply repeating words isn't what makes them intelligent. Some parrots can actually understand the meaning of certain words. They can identify colors, shapes, numbers, and even answer simple questions correctly after training. One of the most famous parrots ever studied amazed scientists by learning hundreds of words and using them appropriately to communicate. Parrots also solve puzzles with surprising speed. They remember solutions for long periods and often invent new ways to reach food. When faced with obstacles, living in large flocks requires constant communication, cooperation, and learning from one another. That social lifestyle has helped parrots evolve into some of the smartest birds alive. Number T, elephant. There's a reason people say an elephant never forgets. Elephants possess remarkable memories that help them survive harsh environments. They can remember the locations of watering holes many years later, allowing entire herds to survive during droughts. But memory isn't their only strength. Elephants recognize themselves in mirrors, a rare ability called self-recognition. Only a handful of animals have passed this test. They also comfort injured family members, cooperate to solve problems, and protect young calves from danger. Researchers have observed elephants working together in ways that require planning and communication. Number Lu, octopus. Beneath the waves lives one of the most extraordinary minds in the animal kingdom. The octopus has a completely different nervous system from mammals, yet it solves problems with incredible skill. These amazing creatures can unscrew jar lids, open containers, escape from locked aquariums, and squeeze through tiny openings that seem impossible. Scientists have watched octopuses explore objects simply out of curiosity. They learn from experience, remember successful solutions, and become faster each time they solve the same challenge. Much of their intelligence comes from their flexible thinking. Instead of relying on instinct alone, octopuses constantly adapt to new situations. For an animal without bones, their brain is just as impressive as their body. Number Wool, dolphin. Dolphins have fascinated humans for centuries. And modern science continues to reveal just how intelligent they really are. Every dolphin develops its own unique whistle, almost like having a personal name. Other dolphins learn and remember these whistles, allowing them to identify one another even after years apart. They hunt together using carefully coordinated strategies, surrounding schools of fish and taking turns feeding. Dolphins also recognize themselves in mirrors, understand complex hand signals from trainers, and remember commands years after learning them. Their ability to communicate, cooperate, and solve problems places them among the smartest creatures in the ocean. But our next animal has mastered something even more surprising: the use of tools. Number 6. Crow. Crows are living proof that intelligence doesn't require a large body. These black-feathered birds create tools from sticks, leaves, and even pieces of wire to reach food hidden in difficult places. In one famous experiment, a crow bent a straight wire into a hook, all without being taught. They can solve puzzles involving multiple steps, remember human faces for years, and even warn other crows about people they consider dangerous. Researchers have also seen crows dropping nuts onto busy roads, waiting for cars to crack them open, and then collecting the food once traffic stops. That's not luck. That's planning. Number 10. Orangutan. Deep within the rainforests of Southeast Asia lives one of humanity's closest relatives. Orangutans spend years learning from their mothers, carefully watching every movement. They build tools to gather insects, use sticks to reach hidden food, and even make protective gloves or umbrellas from large leaves. When faced with a difficult challenge, orangutans don't panic. They stop, observe, and think before acting. Their patience, memory, and ability to learn through observation are qualities that closely resemble our own. Scientists continue discovering new examples of orangutans, solving problems in ways that were once believed to be uniquely human.